Hey guys! Today we're diving deeper into Ciudad Juarez. I'll show you exactly what it looks like, how to get around safely, and a few things you should definitely avoid as a tourist. My name's Andrea, and I'm an American living and traveling through Mexico, and right now I'm in Ciudad Juarez. So come with me and let's explore this border city together. If you're heading further into Juarez, the only two modes of transportation I would recommend are the Juarez bus and Uber. The Juarez bus system is very affordable. You can grab a reloadable card at one of these machines for just 30 pesos, which is a little over $1. Each ride only costs around 12 pesos, or about 50 cents. And you can share the same card with friends or family. It's one of the cheapest and easiest ways to get pretty far across the city. You'll notice that many stations are named for where they take you. Parque Burunda, Catedral at the end of Avenida Juárez in the heart of downtown, and Aeropuerto if you're heading to the airport. Gómez Morín and Avenida Tecnológico are some of the best spots in Juárez for food. You'll find everything from local favorites to a variety of restaurants all along these streets. Uber is another great way to get around, and the drivers are usually friendly and helpful, even if you don't speak Spanish. That said, learning some Spanish will make your experience in Mexico much richer and sometimes safer. In Juárez, people are welcoming and happy when visitors take an interest in their language and culture. Speaking Spanish has helped me connect with locals and get insider tips I would have never learned otherwise. I don't recommend taxis or the informal bus system known as La Ruta for tourists. Taxis often overcharge visitors the classic gringo tax, while La Ruta, made from refurbished old school buses, can be unsafe if you're traveling alone. They may look fun and colorful, but accidents, mechanical issues, and the risk of pickpocketing or being followed when you leave the bus make them a bad choice without a local to guide you. So stick with Uber or the official Juárez bus because it's much safer, and then you know the price up front. Avenida Tomás Fernández is another great area for restaurants and bars. It's a little bit more upscale compared to most places in Juárez, but it's still relatively affordable. Driving your own car in Juárez is an option, and I do it quite often, but it comes with risks, such as police targeting, theft, accidents, or damage from poor road conditions. If you choose to drive, get Mexican car insurance, use a dash cam and a steering wheel lock, and keep some cash handy just in case you're stopped. Most police are honest, but a few may take advantage of foreign plates. Avoid bringing a flashy car and keep a low profile to reduce unwanted attention. Juárez is still working to move past its old reputation as the most dangerous city in the world. While safety concerns remain, partly due to its border location and the cross-border crime fueled by drug demand and human trafficking, security has improved a lot in recent years. For visitors, some neighborhoods are much better to stay in than others. Gómez Morín Boulevard, Las Misiones, and Avenida Tomás Fernández are not only safe to walk around, but also noticeably cleaner than much of the city. Other safe and well-kept areas include Campestre, Campos Elíseos, and Misión de los Lagos near the U.S. Consulate, where you'll find hotels, bars, and restaurants. These areas also have a strong police presence, but even in the safest neighborhoods, it's still smart to stay alert. Avoid walking alone at night. Even in the nicer parts of the city, crime can happen anywhere. Locals and fellow travelers suggest steering clear of neighborhoods like Anapra, Avenida de los Aztecas, the outskirts of Juárez, La Montada, Guadalajara Izquierda, Torres del PRI, and parts of Tierra Nueva. The northwest and southwest of the city, especially in the neighborhoods of Delicias, Aldama, and Babícora Sur, see the highest crime rates. That doesn't mean every street is unsafe, but you'll be better off staying in tourist areas and hotel zones with a strong police presence. There are plenty of things to do in Juárez at all hours of the day. One of my favorite things to do was walk around Las Misiones Mall and see a movie in the Cinépolis VIP theater. Summers get really hot here, so you'll see a lot more people out in the evenings. Parque Central is a popular, well-patrolled spot to walk, play sports, or take the kids to swim and enjoy small rides. It's open until 11 p.m., but always stay aware and leave if it starts to get empty. In Mexico, it's always a little safer when you're around more people. The same goes for restaurants and food stands. If a place is busy, it's usually a sign the food is both good and safe. And while you're here, you might want to stick to bottled or purified water. In most parts of Mexico, tap water, even boiled, can still have minerals or contaminants that aren't great for you, which is why most locals avoid it too. Juárez is one of those cities that's often misunderstood, a place many people think they should avoid, when in reality, that couldn't be further from the truth. Yes, like any big city, it has its challenges, but it also has incredible culture, warm and welcoming people, and a side of Mexico you'll never see if you only believe the headlines. Travelers who come here with an open mind, a little preparation, and street smarts are rewarded with authentic experiences, amazing food, and stories you'll never forget. Don't let fear or media stereotypes keep you from exploring Ciudad Juárez for yourself. All right, guys. I hope this gave you a better feel for Juárez beyond the downtown, where to go, what to avoid, and how to explore the city safely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips and stories from Mexico. Hasta luego. Se cuidan.